This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Julian Maiucci. CBS Pool Home with open floor plan and upgrades throughout. Resort-style backyard with pool, rock wall, fire pit area, lush landscaping, shade screen, and outdoor shower. Expansive kitchen with granite counters, tile backsplash, and bar area. Brand new master bathroom with walk-in closet. New paint and wood look tile throughout entire home. Complete hurricane shutter panels for all windows. No HOA. Centrally located in Jensen Beach, close to boat ramps, parks, beaches, shopping, and more. Hurry, this will not last long. For more information, review the details below or contact Julian Maiucci at 772-283-2800.